Right now, we're managing 38 hotels all over the US. We work with all of the major hospitality brands, including Marriott, Wyndham, Hilton, Hyatt, IHG, Choice, and Best Western as of right now. Before we had inflow, we were using very fragmented and disconnected solutions to a lot of our operations.
We had a lot of paper methods, so our housekeeping's done on paper. Those are uploaded, and we scan them every day across all of our hotels. Labor management was done with a punch clock, but it was a very, you could say, basic punch clock, and there was no real tracking of that.
Managing schedules before inflow was all through Excel sheets from Microsoft, and as you can imagine, across 30 plus hotels, that's very daunting. It's going to take a lot of time.